Hello everyone, my name is David from Litex, and today I'll show you not only how to disable the notifications from Instagram stories, basically all the notifications from Instagram, and how to personalize it even furthermore. So first let me open my iPhone really quick with this Face ID. Okay, done. And now let's head into the Instagram app. I will just open on the app. Come on, focus please. Okay, now it's better. Once you'll be on your Instagram, you will have to press on your icon from the bottom right corner to reach your profile. Then you will have three lines on the top right corner this time. You can find and manage pretty much everything on Instagram from here. And now let's reach settings and privacy. And from here we can locate notifications. I'll hit on that. And here you can personalize everything like posts, stories and comments. If you want to receive notifications from likes and comments, of your photos of you, comments you can turn off or receive from everyone or just from profile you follows. And what else? Fundraiser, lives and reels. That's also very annoying. You can turn everything off from here, and the emails or however. If you want to disable the stories, you will have the first one, which is post, stories and comments as an example. And let's scroll all the way down, because at the bottom you can find first post on stories, and if we press on off, you will no longer receive notifications from that, or at least if you want to receive notifications only from the person you follow, you will have to mark this one which says from profiles I follow, I will leave from everyone. So from here you can personalize all the notifications you have in Instagram, or you can disable everything so you'll not get disturbed the next time. Now guys, I really hope I helped you with this tutorial. Don't forget to thumbs up the like button and leave a comment if you have any questions. Please have a great day.